In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to transfer ownership on Roblox Game. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. I recommend trying this by going through the Roblox Studio website at www.roblox.com/create. You can also use the Roblox Studio desktop app if you want to. After we go to this website, log into your account while you see the game you want to attempt to transfer and click Manage My Experiences. Through this page, you can see a list of all the games or experiences you've made, and you can access their settings by clicking on this little cogwheel at the right side of their name. As you can see, there isn't an option to transfer ownership. If we try to go into Configure Experience to see more options about the experience, you might also notice that there is no way to give someone ownership of this experience. This is because as of 2022 or as of 2023, it is currently impossible to transfer full ownership of a game in Roblox. The only alternative I can present you is to private the original game. So go into the game that you want to transfer ownership and private it, and make an exact copy by using the Roblox Studio desktop app. And when you create a new exact copy, give that new copy the proper ownership that you want to transfer. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to transfer ownership on Roblox Game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.